Hello students, good afternoon everybody. We are going through integration, and in integration we were on the topic that is integration by substitution method. Na? Here few examples I have discussed. Okay, few formulas we have discussed. Let us discuss some more examples from your NCERT only. Suppose it is given that example number 6, integrate 1 upon 1 plus 10x dx. Okay, now no formula is there to integrate this direct function. Okay, so we will make it simple just by taking sine 10 as a sin x upon cos x dx. Okay, now if you this becomes on simplify, if you simplify, this becomes cos x upon cos x plus sin x dx. Now take LCM, it will be cos will be transferred as the numerator. Now again we cannot integrate this directly, so we make it simple as using cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x upon 2 times of cos x plus sin x. Okay, what we have done, once sin x I have added and then once I have subtracted both from the cos x. So cos x plus cos x becomes 2 times, so I have divided the denominator by 2. Okay, now this can be written as a 1 by 2 into cos x plus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, okay, plus cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x separately. Now this cancels, so this becomes half of integral of dx plus this half multiplied for the second integral, this becomes cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x dx. So this becomes half of x plus 1 by 2 integral of cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x dx. Okay, now for this we will substitute this cos x plus sin x as t. Let cos x plus sin x is equal to t. So differentiate this. Differentiation of cos is minus sin x plus differentiation of sin is cos x into dx is equal to dt. This becomes cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. That is, this is the numerator part of this fraction. So now this integration reduces to half of 1 by 2 dt. Now integration of 1 by t is log t plus c, if you remember. So this becomes half of x plus half of here is also, so half of log of cos x minus sin x plus c. This is the mod. So in this way you can integrate other parts also. Let's discuss another example. Suppose NCERT 7.2 question number 5. It is given as the sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b. Okay, so two part is there, sin and cos as well as the angle. So first we will take angle. Let this ax plus b is equal to t. So this becomes a times dx, b becomes 0 is equal to dt. Means dx reduces to 1 by a times of dt. So our integration becomes sin t cos t into dt upon a. So 1 by a becomes out of the integrate part, reduces to sin t by cos t into dt. Now again we can take this sin t as u, that sin t is equal to u. So differentiation of sin is cos t dt is equal to du. So this integration reduces to 1 by a times u du, that is 1 by a into u square by 2 plus c. Okay, so u is sin t, this becomes sin square t by 2a plus c. Again this t is reduced by, substituted by 1 ax plus b. So this becomes sin square ax plus b upon 2a plus c. Okay. कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा वहीं से. Okay, another way of integration of this is, suppose it is given that, let us see another way, sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Okay, if you remember the formula of sin 2 theta, it is given as a 2 sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta and cos theta is given, we need to multiply it by 2. So we can write it as 1 by 2 into 2 times of sin ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Okay, so this reduces to sin 2 theta, means sin of 2 times of ax plus b dx. Okay, now let this 2 times of ax plus b is equal to t. So this becomes 2a dx is equal to dt, means dx is equal to 1 by 2a into dt. So our integration reduces to 1 by 2 into sin of t into 1 by 2a into dt. That is, now 1 by 2a comes out of the integrand parts. So this becomes 2 to the 4a, 1 by 4a into integration of sin t dt. Now integration of sin t is minus cos t. So 1 by 4a into minus cos t plus c. If you remember, integration of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. So this becomes minus cos, the value of t is 2 times of ax plus b upon 4a plus c. So this is the another way. Both answers are same. Both answers are equal. Now let us discuss the 15th question of 7.2 of NCERT. Okay, the 15th question gives integrate x upon 9 minus 4x square dx. Okay, so we substitute this 9 minus 4x square as t. So differentiation में this becomes 0, this becomes 4 to the 8x dx is equal to dt. That is x dx is equal to minus 1 by 8 dt. Because x dx is in numerator, so we have taken out the value of x dx as minus 1 by 8 dt. And now our integrate part reduces to minus 1 by 8 upon 1 by t dt. Okay, now we know that integration of 1 by x dx is log of x plus c. So this becomes minus 1 by 8 log of t plus c. That is minus 1 by 8 log of t. T means 9 minus 4x square plus c. Okay, I hope you understand. Go through these videos once and try to complete 7.2.